ready to take the dog to catch the sea. I haven't been to the beach for a long time. Dad is going to take you to the sea. Do you want to go? Ha ha ha. Wait for me. Everything is ready. Hee hee. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, haha. There's slut, aha. Found a little hole. Danged it. Come. Quick, wow, crab, wow, yes, wow. Hey, it's really serious. It's out. Here it is, silly dog. This crab. Oops, hey ha. Come on. Give me, oops, big seafood. Ha. Call me and put it in here. Give it to me. Oh ho. Ouch, here comes another one. Don't bite you later. Go, hurry up. Aha, found a little octopus heat. I didn't expect to take you out to catch the sea and harvest so much. Customer service tonight. What's your name? Dogs can't eat seafood. Ha, little baby.